In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a glossary page in Microsoft Lists SharePoint. We'll build a simple searchable glossary that lives on a SharePoint page and pulls its content from a Microsoft list. Start by opening Microsoft Lists from your Microsoft 365 apps, or by navigating to your SharePoint site and going to Lists. Once you're there, select Create New, then choose List. Give your list a clear, memorable name, something like Glossary, so people recognize it instantly, and then click Create. With the list in place, let's make the columns match what a glossary needs. Rename the default title column to Term. This will store each glossary word or phrase. It's a good idea to keep this as a single line of text and mark it as required so every entry has a term. Next, add a new column by choosing Add Column and selecting multiple lines of text. Name this one definition. This gives you space for complete explanations, examples, or notes. Plain text usually works best to keep things clean and consistent, but use what fits your organization's style. Add another column using the choice type to capture category. Define a few choices that describe how you want to classify terms, such as departments, topics, or product areas. If a term spans more than one area, consider allowing multiple selections so your list remains flexible and easy to filter. If you want an even smoother browsing experience, consider creating an alphabetical structure. You can set up views that emphasize AZ navigation or group entries by their first letter. This is optional, but it helps users jump to what they need faster. Now, let's populate the list. Click Edit in Grid View to add entries quickly. You can type directly into the cells or paste from a spreadsheet, filling out term, definition, and category. When you're done, exit Grid View to save your changes. To surface this as a page, head to your SharePoint site's homepage and choose New, then Page. Pick a layout you like, add a list web part to the page, and select the glossary list you just created. This instantly brings your glossary onto the page. For a polished result, open the list view settings within the web part and sort by the term column in ascending order. This ensures everything appears alphabetically. You can also apply filters by category to help visitors narrow down results. That's it. Your SharePoint glossary page is ready, organized, and easy to maintain with Microsoft Lists.